Hi guys. It's 15 degrees here in Japan. We're on the way to night market. We will be doing our
Secret Santa.
Secret Santa.
Baguio edition.
Si Kapanyera ko ba? May shorts tawanan talaga. Ito na kami guys. We're on the way. Ay, there's AJ. Say hi. Are you feeling well?
I'm feeling cold.
So ngayon yung first step namin guys is to draw lots.
So mag-exchange gift kami pero ngayon pala kami magpupunatan. And then the goal is to buy the exchange gift here sa night market.
I'll go far away.
Let's open who I got here. Who do you think, guys?
Let's put it down here.
Nakuha natin ay si... Guys, ano kita? Ito ang nabunot. Siya. Let's see what we can get for her.
Get my pick.
Balik ka here if you got
Let's
your...
see. I'm currently checking who I got for exchange gift. Okay, so I got AJ. Pretty interesting. Let's see. Medyo kasi di ko natignan na maayos kung ano yung nasa night market. Baka may makita ako naman na okay. So yeah.
Hi friends! Ito na, bunot na ako. Let's see who this is. Ha! Humanda ka po. Humanda ka.
Hey, dito tayo sa may lighting para maganda. Maganda tayo. Okay. Kita niyo ba? Ibunot natin ay si Adam. Kaganda natin yung regalo natin. Hi guys, I got the last one. So let's open. Sino kaya to? Sino to? Hirap naman buksan with my one hand. I got my sissy girl. Kita niyo ba? It's Pam. I got my girly pop. Anong bibilin ko? Anyway, yun ang nabunot ko.
Okay, mechanics. Uy, wow, chill. Sa night market tayo. Anyway, 500 pesos. Bahala kayo kung ilang items. Basta 500. So it's 11:10.
11. Uy, sino yan?
30 minutes.
Yeah.
30 lang.
Oo, kaya yan.
She balls.
Sige,
Okay,
we'll
see you.
start. See you guys.
Bye! Guys, we're going to the night market to buy a gift for Trisha. So, siya yung nabunod ko. Ang budget natin is 500. Time check, it's 11:15. Call time is 12 midnight. So, hopefully, we buy a few things that'll fit her style, fit her budget. And we'll go from there.
Hey guys, so we're walking to the night market. We're in Burnham Park right now. And kilala niyo naman sila nabunot ko, diba? So yeah, according to AJ, I only have an hour or less. Actually no, I think I have less. So, okay, let's see what we can find here.
If ikaw yung nabunot ko, anong gusto mong ma-receive na regalo?
Secret. It's the challenge nga, Adam. You have
Bahala
to
ka
know
dyan.
what I want.
Anyone, ikaw.
Yeah, you have to know what I want.
Okay guys, hindi ko mana yung beat ko kay Al. Dami nitong reklamo eh. Last year, binigay ko sa kanya for Christmas is a Starbucks cheesy bird. Nakalimutan ko how much it's worth. Nasasabi ko rin sa kanya, sorry, ikaw nakabunot sa akin. Na dapat, sorry ako yung nakabunot sa'yo. Well, this year, to make it tradition, sorry, ikaw nakabunot ulit sa akin.
Okay, guys. Right now, we are trying to look for gifts for Adam. Okay. Let's see. Uy! Uy!
Gusto mo ba ng shawl?
Lumayok sa akin. Okay, let's go guys. Ang ating nabunot ay si Pam. Ay!
Ito na, may kasunod sa akin.
Wait lang, mauna ka na doon. Bisa mo maglakad.
Mabilis ako daw maglakad.
Sige, walking. Ang game plan ko dito guys ay mag-scout muna ng bibilhin. kung anong available. Tapos, saka tayo mag-decide. Dami si tao eh. So, walk-walk lang muna tayo. Walk!
So something for Trisha. May nakita tayo ngayon t-shirt ng Baguio na tie-dye. So siguro this is the first gift. Kaya lang malapit si Trisha dito. Pero sige, let's go. Baka may pinkish na tie-dye. May red. May violet. Green. Ate, may pink ba kayo?
Wala po kaming pink.
Walang
Yan
pink.
eh.
Pinakamalapit. Yan lang.
Unisex
Unique.
po. Anong size?
Unique, guys. Pwede na siguro pambahay. Ate, magkano dito?
150 all items po.
150. Last na yung 150 to eh.
Yes, all items po tayo.
All items. Puro v-neck to, ate.
Ay, hindi po.
May pink rin ba na round neck? Ganyan na lang. I think we have to get this a go. Sige, yan na lang. Ate, pwede kunin ko na to.
Sige, sige.
Okay. Thank you po. First gift secured. Hanap tayo ng iba pa. So that's already 150. Budget is 500. Check back with you guys in a bit pag may nahanap na ako.
So currently, ayan, so we're clothes, anek-anek. Oh shit, ito perfume. Wait lang, ito. Perfume. Let's see. Hi ate. Asan yung mga panglalaki niyo po? May mga sample ba kayo dito?
Anong set po ba? Pili ka.
Yung medyo musky, medyo woodsy. And then, medyo warm pa. Meron pa bang iba ate? Medyo warm pa. Okay, so like, I've been sniffing different perfumes, different scents. Medyo nakakilo, but there's this Lacoste na scent na I think bagay kay AJ. Kasi he likes yung medyo parang woodsy, musky, medyo warm. Tapos medyo may pagka-vanilla-y. And parang yun yung nakikita ko. So, yeah, might get that. Ito na lang po, ate. Thank you. So, good secured. I got it na. So, I just need to look for something else pa na pwede kong mabigay. I feel comfy naman with this choice. Yeah, let's just go around pa. Let's see.
As an indecisive person, wala pa talaga ako nabibili. Just to narrow things down, baka tatlong muna pag-iisipan ko na pwedeng bilhin. So number 1 would be a tote bag. Tapos one should be something fun. One could be something that he could use. Pero magkatago na muna tayo. So as a very sensible person, I think I found the first proper item, which are, I think, cable runners. Kuya, magkano ulit itong mga prices? So ito, 50 each. Pero pag tatlo, 150, okay. Tapos ito, 80. Ito parang maganda to. Baka ito na lang. Settled na ako. Ito na lang bibilin ko for Aldous. Yan, pati nga kuya. Ayan, okay. Sige po, bilhin ka na. Nagbebenta pa rin ba kayo ng eco bag?
Yes, rebente lang. XL.
Sige nga pa, dagdagan natin po. Ayan po.
30. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay guys, ito yung kay Aldous. Nakuha ko na, ayan na. Tapos kumuha na rin ako ng tote bag worth 20 pesos. So 130 na lang ang budget mo, Aldous. I've secured my first one. I'm just looking for 2. So let's see.
Hey guys, ang daming pagpipilian pero hindi ko alam kung anong pipiliin. Nakaka-overwhelm. Okay guys, alam niyo ba, ang na-realize ko sa pagva-vlog nito ay kailangan walang hiya ka. So far, hindi ko pa alam kung anong ibilhin. Baka magsa niya mga shawl or scarf. As someone na mahilig pumunta in places like this, Baguio, Japan. So, I feel like yun pala yung nakikita ko may enjoy niya. Tingin pa tayo sa ibang stall. Ito kaya, may enjoy niya kaya ito. Oh, feel ko magugustuhan niya yung mga shawl. Wait lang. 180. Parang mas gusto ko po yung gantong plain. Okay guys. Sabi ni ate, pwede natin buklatin. Ito na lang po kuya. 200. And ito kuya. Okay. Okay guys. First gift secured. Lagyan natin oh. Oh. Hindi niya alam. Nakabili na tayo ng regalo niya. Bigyan niyo ako ng idea, guys. Ito. Sweet. Ito, guys. Kasi ko na recall yun, naka-sweatpants din siya kanina. Pero maliit yung size. Pero sige, yun na ang isa kong bibilhin. Sweatpants, Harper pants, flannel pants. Parang yun ata ang bet ni Pam. Ay, ito. May size po yung mga pants niyo.
Mas free size po,
Ah,
hindi
free
naman
size.
38 po.
Tapos lahat po, 180. Ito bang gusto niyang color or gray?
Para sa'yo.
Ito na guys, ang napili natin.
Sana mag-asya.
Thank you po. Thank you, ate. Secured. One item.
Give me a full 500.
Humingi pa nga ng pera sa akin.
Alam mo na tuloy kasi nung bibilan ko.
Hanggang 12 lang daw to.
So, nasa na ang ibang naman pa.
For today.